We gather at the round table. The circle activates, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center, sustaining a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the philosopher's stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. During this cycle, its form expresses itself as aluminum. This is the substance we are ordering. The 13th particle of the stone presents itself as a metal of passive resistance, ready to be observed and adjusted from the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of 12. Today we share the viewpoint of balance. The Throne of Libra opens the 7th position and directs the gaze toward the infinite recycling of aluminum. From this seat, aluminum reveals itself as the metal that can be recycled indefinitely without losing its properties, the element that maintains perfect equilibrium between use and reuse. What was shielded, mineralized, transmitted energy, preserved food, reflected light, and refined technically now finds its rightful place in the recycling cycle. Recycled aluminum requires only 5% of the energy needed for primary production. Each recycled can maintains balance between consumption and resource conservation. Each recycling cycle respects planetary equilibrium. Aluminum inhabits the frontier between virgin resource and recovered material, maintaining continuous use without depletion, balancing mining extraction with industrial reuse. Observed from the Throne of Libra, the metal finds circular harmony, reciprocity with the planet, and the ability to sustain tensions between production and conservation. Protection becomes ecological balance. Passive defense organizes itself as cycle harmony. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align on a single axis of circular equilibrium. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner protective metal and supports the fine-tuning of the particle. By holding your gaze, balance is established, and the 7th face of the philosopher's stone is polished. Aluminum becomes balanced. The wheel continues its conscious rotation. Today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold a single affirmation internally throughout the practice. I am balancing aluminum in infinite cycles. Allow the mind to remain serene and harmonious at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle before you. Observe it in silence for at least 3 full breaths. Let the flame dissolve emotions associated with cycle imbalance. Waste without recycling, extraction without return, broken circularity. Emotion is brought into order through balance. Action, integration in the body. Pour a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am balanced aluminum. Repeat it 3 times consciously. Drink the water slowly, integrating infinite recycling into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra. I create as I speak.